How to manage menus in Drupal. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into Drupal. Now let's learn how to manage menus. Click the Administer link. Scroll down. Click the Menus link. This is the Menus page where we can add, edit, or delete menus to our website. As we can see, some menus are currently disabled. Let's enable a disabled menu now. Click the Enable link. Scroll down. We can edit the details of the menu item here if we wish. When ready, click Submit. The menu item we just enabled now shows here. Now let's disable a menu item. Scroll down. Click the Disable link for the menu you want to disable. Click Disable to confirm. That's it! The menu item has been disabled. Now click the Settings link. Scroll down. After making any changes to the settings of the menus you wish, click Save Configuration here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage menus in Drupal.